God be grateful for. Anyone please care to help the homeless something to eat? God bless your heart, sir. Anyone please care to help the homeless something to eat tonight?
Doors closing.
We'll take off decisions I have. Take off the fake deep, take off the fake woke, take off the humble, God care. Take off the gossip, take off the new logic that if I'm rich, I'm real. Take off the sugar, take off the doje, take off the broken bag. Take all of this other bullshit off and what do you have?
You ugly as fuck. 2 ATMs, you stepping to what? Who you think they talk about? Talk about us. Who you think they carry up for us?
Go.